Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to make one of my favorite types of paintings, which is an ocean wave using a swipe technique. And I did it a little differently this time with a dark background, and it came out with a really interesting effect. It makes it look almost like the moonlight is shining over the wave. So it was a really cool end product. So I'll show you how I made it, as well as everything you need to know about what I used to make the painting is in the description below. So let's get to it. So let me know what you think in the comments below, and I hope you subscribe to my channel if you want to learn more about how to do a fluid acrylic art.